Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of business mentorship programs. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to start a successful mentorship program for your business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this guide will provide valuable insights to help you build strong mentor-mentee relationships. So grab a notebook and let's get started on this journey to empower and grow your business through mentorship. Business mentorship is crucial for growth and success. It provides guidance, support, and valuable insights from experienced professionals. Mentors help navigate challenges, offer networking opportunities, and foster personal and professional development. This relationship can significantly enhance a mentee's skills and confidence, leading to better decision-making and career advancement. Now, when it comes to finding the right mentor, it's crucial to consider their experience and how well they align with your business goals. Take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Look for someone who has a proven track record in your industry. And don't be afraid to ask for references. It's also important to ensure that their communication style matches yours, as this will foster a more productive relationship. Setting clear goals is, well, one of the most fundamental steps in achieving success in any field. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or a professional, having a clear vision of what you want to accomplish is crucial for your journey. The cornerstone of any successful venture lies in the clarity of its goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to get lost in the myriad of tasks and distractions that come your way, leading to confusion and inefficiency. It's essential to define what you want to achieve and, more importantly, to understand why these goals matter to you. This understanding fuels your motivation and keeps you driven even when the going gets tough. Outline the steps to get there. Break down your goals into manageable tasks and set deadlines for each. This not only makes the process less overwhelming, but also provides a clear roadmap to follow, ensuring you stay on track. Clear goals provide direction and, without a doubt, help you stay on track. They act as a compass, guiding you through the challenges and obstacles that inevitably arise, keeping you focused on your path. Importantly, keep you focused on what really matters. When you have a clear goal, it's easier to prioritize your tasks and allocate your time and resources effectively. This focus ensures that your efforts are aligned with your ultimate objectives, maximizing your productivity. Moreover, setting clear goals allows you to measure your progress. By regularly reviewing your goals and tracking your achievements, you can celebrate your successes and identify areas for improvement. This continuous feedback loop is vital for growth and development, helping you refine your strategies. In addition, clear goals can boost your confidence. Knowing exactly what you want to achieve and having a plan to get there can reduce uncertainty and increase your sense of control. This confidence can be a powerful motivator, driving you to take bold actions and seize opportunities that come your way. Finally, sharing your goals with others can provide accountability and support. Whether it's a mentor, a colleague, or a friend, having someone to share your journey with can make the process more enjoyable and rewarding, adding a layer of encouragement. So take the time to set clear, meaningful goals. Define what success looks like for you, outline the steps to get there, and stay focused on what truly matters. With clear goals, you're well on your way to achieving your dreams and aspirations. Let's delve deeper into setting clear goals. Start by making your goals SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to grow my business," specify, "I want to increase my sales by 20% in the next 6 months." Next, break down these goals into smaller, actionable steps. If your goal is to increase sales, identify the key actions needed, such as improving your marketing strategy, enhancing customer service, or launching new products. Set deadlines for each step to create a sense of urgency and keep you on track. For example, by the end of the first month, I will have revamped my website to attract more customers. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Life and business are dynamic, and your goals should be flexible enough to adapt to changing circumstances. This ensures that you remain relevant and continue to progress. Finally, celebrate your milestones. Recognizing and rewarding your achievements, no matter how small, can boost morale and keep you motivated. This positive reinforcement is crucial for maintaining momentum. Remember, setting clear goals is not a one-time activity, but an ongoing process. Continuously refine and update your goals to reflect your growth and evolving aspirations. This iterative approach will keep you aligned with your vision and drive sustained success. So take the time to set clear, meaningful goals. Define what success looks like for you. Outline the steps to get there and stay focused on what truly matters. With clear goals, you're well on your way to achieving your dreams and aspirations. Building a strong relationship with your mentor is, honestly, key to getting the most out of the mentorship experience. It's not just about having someone to guide you through your career or personal development, it's about creating a bond that fosters growth, learning, and mutual respect. When you invest time and effort into building this relationship, you open doors to new opportunities and insights that you might not have discovered on your own. This bond can be a cornerstone for your future success. Trust and open communication lay the foundation for a productive and, supportive partnership. Without trust, the relationship can become strained and less effective. Open communication ensures that both parties are on the same page, allowing for honest feedback and constructive criticism. This transparency helps in setting clear expectations and goals, making the mentorship more focused and goal-oriented. It's important to be open about your aspirations, challenges, and even your fears. This way, your mentor can provide the guidance and support you need to overcome obstacles and achieve your objectives. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Remember, a good relationship with your mentor can make all the difference. It can transform a simple guidance session into a life-changing experience. A strong mentor-mentee relationship is built on mutual respect, trust, and a shared commitment to growth. When both parties are dedicated to the process, the results can be truly remarkable. So, take the time to nurture this relationship, be open and honest, and always strive to learn and grow. The benefits of a strong mentorship relationship are immeasurable, impacting not just your career, but your overall personal development as well. The journey is as important as the destination. Leveraging mentorship for growth involves, actively seeking feedback and being open to new perspectives. Your mentor's experience can provide invaluable insights that honestly might not be obvious to you. Embrace the guidance and, importantly, apply it to your journey. Set clear goals with your mentor and track your progress. Celebrate small wins and learn from setbacks. Utilize the resources and tools your mentor provides. This will help you grow and succeed in your business journey. In conclusion, mentorship is, without a doubt, a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. By setting clear goals, building strong relationships, and fostering a sense of trust and mutual respect, both mentors and mentees can benefit immensely. Mentorship is not just about guidance, it's about creating a supportive environment where both parties can thrive and flourish. When you leverage the wisdom of your mentor, you gain access to a wealth of knowledge and experience that can help you avoid common pitfalls and make more informed decisions. This wisdom is invaluable, especially in the fast-paced and often unpredictable world of entrepreneurship. Your mentor's insights can provide you with a clearer vision of your goals and the steps needed to achieve them, ensuring you stay on the right path. Navigating the complexities of your entrepreneurial journey with confidence is one of the greatest benefits of having a mentor. They can help you identify potential challenges before they become major obstacles and offer strategies to overcome them. This proactive approach can save you time, resources, and a lot of stress. Moreover, having a mentor by your side can boost your confidence, knowing that you have someone to turn to for advice and support whenever needed. So take the leap and honestly embrace the mentorship experience. It's an opportunity to grow, learn, and achieve your goals with the guidance of someone who has been there before. Remember, mentorship is a two-way street. While you gain from your mentor's experience, they also gain from your fresh perspective and enthusiasm. Together, you can create a dynamic and successful partnership that benefits both of you in the long run. Embrace the journey and let mentorship be the catalyst for your success and fulfillment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you haven't joined our membership community, please do so now, where I will be giving many more gems on business.